What if the reason your skin isn't improving has nothing to do with the products you're using? What if the real issue is deeper, invisible, internal, and completely overlooked? Because most people treat their skin like a surface problem. Dryness? Add moisturizer. Acne? Add another product. Dullness? Try something new. But your skin isn't just what you see. It's a living system, fed, repaired, and regulated from within. So instead of layering more on top, we're going underneath. 5 supplements backed by real clinical evidence that target the root of how your skin forms, functions, and heals. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't obsess over paint while the structure underneath is weak. Your skin works the same way. Topical products decorate it, but nutrients? They decide how strong it actually is. Beneath your skin is a network, dense, flexible, and alive. That network is collagen. It gives your skin its firmness, its smoothness, its ability to bounce back. But here's the shift most people don't realize. Collagen loss isn't sudden. It's gradual and constant. From your mid-20s, your body produces less each year. At the same time, environmental stress, sunlight, pollution, breaks down what's already there. The result? Skin doesn't just wrinkle, it loses its structural integrity. Round pushpin on screen text. Collagen equals skin structure. Narrator. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides work differently than most expect. They're broken down into amino acids, specifically glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These are the exact building blocks your body uses to reconstruct collagen fibers in the dermis. Clinical studies show measurable improvements in skin elasticity, dermal density, hydration retention. This isn't cosmetic. It's architectural. Now imagine trying to build that same structure without the tools required to assemble it. That's what happens without vitamin C. Because collagen production isn't automatic. It's a biochemical process, and vitamin C is a required cofactor. Without it, collagen molecules remain unstable, incomplete. But its role goes even deeper. Every day, your skin is exposed to oxidative stress from UV radiation, pollution, even internal inflammation. This creates free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells, proteins, and DNA. Vitamin C neutralizes these molecules before they can degrade collagen and elastin, which means it does 2 things simultaneously. It helps your skin build new structure and protects the structure you already have. And that's why consistent intake correlates with brighter, more even skin tone, reduced hyperpigmentation, slower visible aging. Your skin has a protective layer, often called the barrier. Its job is simple but critical. Keep water in, keep irritants out. But when this barrier is compromised, everything changes. Moisture escapes more easily. Irritants penetrate more deeply. Inflammation becomes constant. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, integrate directly into your skin cell membranes. This changes how your cells behave. They become more flexible, more resilient, better at holding water. At the same time, omega-3s regulate inflammatory pathways, not by shutting them down completely, but by preventing them from becoming excessive. This is why omega-3 intake is linked to reduced redness and irritation, improved skin hydration, better outcomes in inflammatory conditions like acne. What you see on the surface, that calm, hydrated glow, is really a reflection of internal balance. Acne isn't random. It's the result of multiple systems interacting: oil production, bacteria, inflammation, and immune response. Zinc influences all of them. First, it helps regulate sebaceous glands, the structures that produce oil, not by eliminating oil, but by bringing it back into balance. Second, zinc has antimicrobial properties, reducing the activity of acne-causing bacteria. And third, it modulates inflammation, which means breakouts don't escalate as aggressively and they resolve faster. There's also a fourth role, often overlooked. Zinc supports wound healing. So even after a breakout forms, your skin can repair itself more efficiently, reducing the chance of lingering marks or scars. If vitamin C acts like a frontline defender, neutralizing damage As it happens, vitamin E operates more quietly, but just as critically behind the scenes. It embeds itself within the lipid layers of your skin, the very structure that holds your cells together. From there, it protects cell membranes, which are especially vulnerable to oxidative stress. When these membranes are damaged, cells lose their integrity. They don't function as efficiently. Repair slows down. Aging accelerates at a deeper level than what's visible on the surface. But what makes vitamin E especially powerful isn't just what it does alone. It's how it sustains the entire protective system. When vitamin C neutralizes a free radical, it sacrifices part of itself in the process. It becomes unstable, temporarily inactive. Without support, that defense stops there. Vitamin E steps in at that exact moment. It helps restore vitamin C back to its active form, allowing it to continue neutralizing more free radicals. This creates a continuous antioxidant cycle rather than a one-time reaction. So instead of your skin defending itself once, it stays protected over time, even under constant exposure to stress. This ongoing protection has real, measurable effects. UV radiation, one of the primary drivers of premature skin aging, generates oxidative damage deep within the skin. Vitamin E reduces the intensity of that damage, limiting how much structural breakdown occurs after exposure. At the same time, it supports tissue repair. When your skin is compromised, whether from dryness, irritation, or micro damage, it helps stabilize the environment needed for cells to regenerate effectively. Over time, this shows up as smoother texture, more consistent tone, and skin that recovers faster instead of lingering in a damaged state. But the real shift is more subtle than that. Vitamin E doesn't just respond to damage after it appears. It reinforces the system that prevents that damage from accumulating in the first place. And that's the difference between temporary improvement and long-term skin resilience. If you're looking for high-quality versions of these supplements, I've linked trusted options from Do Not Age in the description. I personally use them because they focus on purity, research-backed formulations, and supplements that actually align with what we've talked about here. There's a pattern most people never notice. They treat skin like a collection of separate problems. Hydration here, acne there, aging somewhere else, as if each one can be fixed in isolation. But the body doesn't work in fragments. It works in systems. Every process in your skin is connected. Structure, repair, protection, hydration, balance, all happening at the same time, influencing each other constantly. Collagen forms the framework. It determines how firm, dense, and resilient your skin feels over time. But that framework doesn't build itself. It depends on precise biochemical reactions, and without the right conditions, it simply slows down. That's where vitamin C becomes essential, not as an add-on, but as a requirement. Without it, collagen remains incomplete, unstable, weaker than it should be. At the same time, the surface of your skin is trying to hold itself together, maintaining a barrier that keeps water in and external stressors out. Omega-3 fatty acids integrate into that barrier at a cellular level, changing how your skin retains moisture and responds to irritation. Without that support, the barrier becomes fragile, and everything underneath becomes more vulnerable. Then there's regulation, oil production, inflammation, bacterial activity. These aren't random events. They're controlled by internal signals. Zinc helps keep those signals balanced, not suppressing them completely, but preventing them from escalating into breakouts, irritation, and prolonged damage. And even with all of that in place, your skin is still under constant attack. From light, from pollution, from the natural byproducts of metabolism. Damage is inevitable. What matters is how efficiently your skin can recover from it. Vitamin E operates at that level within the lipid layers, stabilizing cells, reducing oxidative damage, and supporting the repair process so it happens faster and more effectively. When you step back, a pattern emerges. Each element doesn't act alone. It supports something else. It reinforces another process. Structure depends on activation. Activation depends on protection. Protection depends on balance. Balance depends on repair. Break one link in that chain, and the system doesn't collapse instantly. It slowly becomes less efficient, less stable, less resilient. But when all of them are supported together, the system doesn't just function, it adapts. And that's the difference. Not temporary improvement, not surface level change, but skin that can maintain itself consistently, quietly over time. This is what real skin health looks like. Not forced, not artificial, but stable, resilient, and consistent. Because when your skin is supported internally, it stops fighting for balance and starts maintaining it. If this changed how you think about skincare, subscribe for more evidence-based insights. And tell me, which of these are you already using and which one surprised you the most?